What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's the big day, 6:13 in the morning, and we're heading to Teesside. In this video we're going to do some skids, and that's all I can tell you at this moment. So stick around, do a subscribe if you haven't already. We're actually going to go and drive the car. Right guys, so it's one of the early laps out we're doing here. We're getting used to the car after the rebuild. They told it were a dry track, but it was definitely patchy and wet. Coilovers needed adjusting and stuff, so we were just getting used to it. It's nice and slow and steady in, and as you can see, it's quite slippy. So what I did need to get used to on South Bank was actually initiating later so that I'm further up the bank. I noticed my line was bringing me quite wide on the exit and quite shallow at the start. That's something I got used to with the speed later on in the day, and the car just being a completely different way of driving. What's up guys, we're arrived. I've been out on the track a few times. The car's warm, so we're letting it cool down, but she's doing well. We'll throw some footage up and yeah, see how it goes. as we went off on South Bank. It's good. We're having a bit of a cooling issue problem, so we're just going to give it a bleed or get some steam and stuff, but yeah, it's a weapon. I'm enjoying it. So guys, that's the last day. We're just about to pack it up on the trailer at Teesside. We're definitely about, the car's done well. We've just got that oil return line that's split, started to leak oil, just drip it. We're not going to push it and we're not going to get oil on track, and it ain't going to repair it here no matter what we do. We don't have a pipe for it and the sill well ain't going to hold it. So we're just going to take it home. It's 3:30 anyway, so it'll be a steady 2 hours. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Progressive throughout the day were great. I would really advise these workshop days. The staff are great. You know, I was nervous coming into this. I ain't drifted in like years in this car, so it's one of them. But yeah, anything you think, if you were here and you've got some photos of it or anything like that, I'll you know, but I'll be back, definitely be back to one of these drift days and probably do a few more tyres, but I can't knock it, can't knock the alignment. Chris tuning on it's been great. Thank you Ben, all the work, Ryan, Jess, everyone else who's helped. Yeah, it's been a great day, it's been a great day.